What's up, y'all? I'm pretty loud. My name is Lynda J. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please be sure to click that subscribe button before you go, and if you are already family, then welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my mini twist on my natural hair, and I'm super excited to finally put my hair up for about a week. When I committed to doing the stretching and then the twisting, I did not have any signed campaigns that were ongoing. All of my campaigns have been put on hold. However, a company has reached out to me a few days ago, and I went ahead and collaborated with them. So that video is going to be coming next week. So my hair is only going to be in mini twist for about a week. Then I'll film that content for them. I did a video on the lock method, and I thought the lock method was very helpful for me. I feel like my hair was super moisturized, but recently I've been reading that the LCO method is better because the oil is used to seal in all of the moisture. So today I'm going to try out the LCO method. I can't remember if L stands for liquid or leave-in, but either way I have a liquid leave-in from Afro Sheen to get the best of both worlds. I also am going to be using my Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream as my cream. The oil that I wanted to use was olive oil, but we ran out of that and I didn't know. So I'll be using Jamaican black castor oil as my oil to seal it in. I won't be using a lot of this because this oil is really thick, and I will try to have all of these products listed down below for you guys. I'm going to put these twists into smaller twists, so I'm pretty much gonna divide each twist into two to give me a medium twist. This is not really a mini twist. I really don't care about my parting. My parting looks like trash, but again, I'm only wearing these for a week inside of the house, so I have nobody to impress. And even if I did, I feel like I would still not care much about parting my hair. All right, enough chit chat. Let me start with this, and I will see you guys a little bit later. Okay, wow, look at this. Let me get close. Wow, this is so pretty. Wow, if this was a twist out, this would be so dope, but it's not. Are my arms shaved? Y'all don't have to get these hairy pits. When you're doing your twist, all you have to do is split your hair into two and literally just rotate. Switch your hairs in one direction from one hand to the other. So if I have a piece in my left and a piece in my right will go to my left and my left will go to my right, and my right will go to my left and my left will go to my right, and you're going to continue that process until you're done. Make sure you don't ever go in opposite directions. You have to go in the same direction every single time you're twisting in order for it to work, because then you're unraveling your twist. Not sure how I feel about this LCO method. I'm gonna do one more, and I'm gonna see if I just need to add water, which I don't want to because my hair would shrink a lot, and I'm not really looking for that because it's gonna shrink over time anyway with the twist in my hair. But let me just try one more and see what happens. I actually just changed my mind. This is the twist that I've done with the LCO method, and I'm going to do this twist right here with the lock method and compare to see if there's a difference. I like the lock method better. I don't know, you guys. Granted, this section of hair is smaller than this one. What is the difference, Lynda J? What is the difference? I don't know. I don't really see a difference. Wow, look at it curling up. Okay, what I will say is that I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that low porosity hair has a harder time absorbing moisture or staying moisturized. So maybe if your hair is low porosity, then the lock method, the LCO method might be better because the oil is used to seal in the moisture from both the liquid and the cream. Now, like I said, when I did it the first time, and I do have that video, so I might have already said this, I'll link it down below for you, but just in case I didn't. But I really liked the lock method the first time that I did it, and I really like it now too. I might just stick with the lock method. With the LCO method, with this twist, it's definitely not curling up, but this one is. That makes me feel like this has more moisture in it. Again, this piece of hair is less. There's less hair in this piece. So maybe I should just try another piece that has about the same, if not more. So I will try this piece again with the lock method so that I can get a better comparison, because I just feel like maybe this isn't fair. Definitely gonna note that the slip when I'm twisting down is way better when I use the lock method. Like, my fingers are literally gliding as opposed to the LCO method. This is crazy. I love it. Again, I don't feel like I used a lot of product. I feel like I used the same exact amount, and this just is, oh my gosh, I feel like this is the difference. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the lock method. Can you see that? My ends are curling more with the lock method, but I definitely feel like, although I know I need to trim my hair, the ends of the lock method versus the ends of the LCO method are totally different. Are they? They don't look like it on camera, but in person they do. Again, this is the lock method. This is the LCO method. Nah, the lock method for sure. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Like I said, the lock method really worked for me the first time. I have been hearing some things that I still think are true. Oil is really good, is a really good sealant, so it would make more sense to use it at the end so that you can seal in all of the moisture from the L and the C. But it just seems like my hair is doing better with the lock method, and it's even shrinking some. With the LCO, it didn't shrink. It's obviously not shrinking as much as the lock method is shrinking. This is where the lock method is right now, and this is where the LCO is. That makes me feel like there's more moisture being accepted into my hair with this lock method, so I'm gonna continue to do that throughout. Comment down below whether you like the lock method or the LCO method better in your hair. What is your hair porosity? I think my hair porosity is high porosity, but I don't know, I haven't taken the test. Now that I'm saying that, I feel like I should do that this week or next week on camera so that you guys can find out, and so that I can find out, even though I've literally never known my hair porosity and my hair has been fine. It's a thing now. So let me just try to figure it out so I can answer people's questions about the whole, what porosity are you? So let me just continue my twist, and then I'll see you guys later. Believe it or not, it's been about, I'm so ashamed, it's been at least 6 hours, and I keep stopping for snacks. This is taking me so long. But what am I supposed to do? I'm hungry. Made myself some chicken nuggets earlier, cereal, now I'm eating cookies, but I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna finish it. It's midnight, it's 1 o'clock. I'm gonna finish it. Let me just shrink up so much. It's crazy how much it shrinks. See, the one that was up here that was originally down here has shrunken up all the way up here, which is fine because I believe that that means my hair is retaining the moisture. Wow, can you believe my hair looks so short? That is crazy. All right, let me get some done in the back, and then I'll come back, whether that's tonight or tomorrow. I don't know, but no, I can't even lie. This looks good. Can you? Oh my gosh, sis. I cannot wait until my whole head is done. Speaking of, it's 2:15 in the morning. It's already Easter. I have to attend church tomorrow. I have to enter the chat of the Lord. So I'm gonna go to sleep and finish this tomorrow. I'm completely done with the whole front half of my head. Also, I forgot to mention, this is how much hair that I lost detangling the whole front portion of my head. I also have some on this side. Let me take it out for you guys. This is what I lost on the bigger portion of the brush. This time I'm gone for real, so good night. I'll see you in the next clip. Hi, it's the very next day. This is what the front, wow. This is what the front is looking like. I really like how they look. I'm in the middle of something. Like, do you mind? They look nice and textured and moisturized. I just finished this back section, so let me turn around and show you guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish this section, and then I'll be done. I'm gonna try to hurry up because you gotta love it. All right, here we go. Braid, you guys. I'm so excited. One piece of advice that I would give you guys who are doing mini twists, I know a lot of people are doing them while in quarantine, which I highly support. What I would say is, especially because my hair is even, I do not borrow hair. That's something that I actually learned from Jenny, not sure, but she gave the advice to not borrow hair from the other piece. Let me try to just show you what I mean. If you understand what I mean, then good, but if not, I will just show you visually. Right now I'm just showing you how uneven my hair is. One side is very much longer than the other, and you can see clearly right here. So this is what borrowing hair looks like, splitting hair from the side that is longer to make sure that the side that is shorter can compete a little bit. But you don't want to do that because that causes more tangles when it comes time to take out your twist. So what I do is comb out my kinks, twist down as far as I can, and then with the remainder of the hair, I'll just twirl it around my finger and let it just be a curl. And there it is. I can't even lie to you, I do look like somebody's child, like a little boy. I look like a little boy. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna try to stretch them and see what that does. This is not what I imagined. You know, I envisioned full. I didn't envision long. I know my hair shrinks, but longer than this. Look at this. Chop. Look. All right, I'm gonna go. There's nothing else that I need to say.